Today we're featuring a 2017 Honda Pilot EX. It's a certified Pilot. It's got 7,000 miles on it. It's got a clean CARFAX One-Owner. Alright, it was DT'd into McKenney, Salinas, Honda and sold new here. Alright, and then it was traded back in on something else. So it's a local trade. Alright, it's taffeta white in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. It does have the lock unlock buttons here in the door handles. Driver's side of the vehicle is in great shape. It's got rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Alright, got the same thing over here on the passenger side. It's also got the blind spot monitoring camera as well, and I'll show you that when we get inside the vehicle. But exterior of this vehicle is in great shape. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. It's got the black on black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have the black cloth power driver's seat. Driver's seat cloth's in good shape. It does come with 2 keyless entry key fobs with remote start. Passenger seat looks impressive too, no issues there. Alright, it is an automatic. Got your power outlet USB and 2 USB ports over there. It's also got your blind spot monitoring button here. Power windows and econ button there. We'll go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 7,926 miles on it. Now that we got it started, I'll go ahead and show you the display screen. Alright, and that's your home page there. And you can cycle through the different apps. I'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright, and we'll go ahead and do the blind spot monitoring camera. Alright, and that is your blind spot. It just shows a display of it. Okay, you can access that by hitting the button or making a lane change using the turn signal. Alright, one of the coolest safety features in my opinion that Honda offers. Really like that. I got the push button start here. Dual climate controls. Alright, and I don't know if you could see that last time with the power outlet and the USB port. But let me get down there and kind of make that a clear for you there. It also has this right here in between the driver and passenger seat, and it also has power outlet and USB storage down there. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. I want to show you this as well before we get back there. It does have the nice thick Honda Pilot rubber floor mats. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look back here. And let me walk around on the passenger side just to open up that door. Let a little bit more light in here. Let's go ahead and get the lift gate too. Alright, second row cloth. Everything looks really good here. No issues whatsoever. It's only got 7,000 miles on it, guys, so this is pretty much like getting a new Pilot for the used car price. I mean, this thing, perfect on the outside, perfect on the inside. Got the nice thick rubber floor mats, second row. Okay, get over there in the light so you can see it a little bit better. It also has the third row seats, and it also has the third row rubber mats back here. Third row cloth is in excellent condition. No problem whatsoever with this vehicle. Really nice Pilot here. Alright, it does have the third row seats, so as you can see, they kind of cut into the storage back here in the back. You can simply pull this lever down. Let's go forward. Okay, and it does have the plastic mat back here as well. That'll stretch out the whole distance there, and you can see how it really opens it up back here. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. 18-inch alloys. Alright, brand new set of tires on here. Alright, once again guys, this certified 2017 Honda Pilot EX, only 7,000 miles on it, clean Carfax, one owner. I mean, this thing is a great vehicle. Like I said earlier, you're getting a used car. You're basically getting a new car for the used car price is what you're getting. This thing is just perfect, excellent condition. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.